How's it going, YouTube? I'm working on a 2007 Grand Prix base model, no monsoon sound system, no amplifier. I've been working on this for a lot longer than I should have been, but this is a quick video that I'm making because there's not enough on the 2007 in particular, and everyone's videos are kind of all over the place. I just wanted to clear something up here in a couple minutes. I wired my power for my battery, yellow, 12 volt. I have the ground hooked up, the black, and I have the orange hooked up right here for my dash lights, stereo lights, illuminate, and the ignition wire was the problem here at the red. So what I did is, the kit I got, wiring harness from Amazon for about 16 bucks, doesn't have an actual, the pin here, I'm all over the place, sorry about that. The pin for the ignition, the red wire, isn't actually connecting to anything as far as the harness for the factory. So that's the big thing. Now, a couple videos did pinpoint on that, but it was for other, like the monsoon systems or OnStar. Or, this is just the basic as you can get. So to make sure I was working, after testing this over and over with the multimeter, and I have a test light, what I did is I wired it over here to the 20 amp, just to test it. I'll do a finer job after this. That right there is for my, let's see here, heated seats, which I do not actually have in this car. So I was surprised, but I'm getting 12 volts from that. So just run a little wire, pigtail it with your ignition wire over here. I just did all three just because, and then I'm gonna, clean them all up and do it the right way. But just a little quick video. This was a trying project. If you have any questions, comment. If me tying into that fuse is a bad idea, please let me know, because I am still kind of figuring this out myself. But yeah, I'm installing a double DIN 7-inch touchscreen. Everything works. This is a very easy installation. I do recommend having a multimeter and a test light or something to get this done. Thanks for watching.